In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete booking history on Agoda. If you're looking to clear your past trips from Agoda, the key thing to know up front is that the only way to remove your booking history is to permanently delete your Agoda account. Agoda doesn't offer a separate option to individually delete or hide past bookings. With that in mind, I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few practical tips so you can decide confidently before you proceed. Start by signing in to your Agoda account on the website or app. Make sure you're using the account where your bookings are stored. If you have multiple sign-in methods like email, Apple, Google, or Facebook, choose the one you originally used so you see the correct booking history. Once you're signed in, head to your profile. On desktop, you'll usually find the profile icon at the top right of the page. Click it to open your account menu. On mobile, tap the profile or account tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, open the profile section to access your account details and settings. Inside your profile settings, look for the option labeled Delete My Account. This is the control that removes your account and with it your booking history. Click or tap Delete My Account. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Read the prompt carefully because this action is permanent. Confirm the deletion to complete the process and remove your booking history associated with that account. Before you commit, a few quick reminders to help you avoid surprises. Deleting your account will also remove access to saved preferences, loyalty progress, stored payment methods, and any active benefits tied to that profile. If you have upcoming stays, handle those first. Cancel or modify them as needed, and check the property's policy for penalties or refunds. If you need past invoices or receipts for expenses or tax purposes, download or screenshot them in advance because you won't be able to retrieve them after your account is gone. Also note that, like many travel platforms, Agoda may retain certain transactional records as required by law, but those won't be visible in a deleted account. After you confirm, watch for a confirmation message or email indicating your account has been removed. If you plan to use Agoda again later, you can create a fresh account, but your previous booking history won't carry over. And that's it. Sign in, open your profile, choose Delete My Account, and confirm. Since there's no direct feature to remove individual bookings, this is the definitive way to clear your booking history on Agoda.